Welcome to Bandra Railway Station. The station has a total number of 7 platforms, 1 subway, 1 overbridge pass, and 2 footover bridges. It has inquiry, reserved and unreserved ticket counters, current reservation counter at the entrance of the station in main building. Passenger amenities which are present at the station are parking areas, AC and non-AC retiring room, railway police force, waiting rooms, the Divyang toilet, luggage and cloakrooms available. This station is accessible for wheelchair users and have ramps connecting to all platforms from main building through subway. Footover Bridge 1 has escalator at platform 2 to 7, stairs at each platform 1 to 7 and is connected to overbridge pass at platform 1. Footover Bridge 2 has stairs at platform 6 and 7 and is connected to overbridge pass and back entrance ticket counter at first floor. Subway has ramps and stairs at each platform 2 to 7 and front entrance where front entrance ramp leads to the main building of the station. Overbridge Pass has stairs at platform 1 and is connected to Foot Overbridge 1 and Foot Overbridge 2 and leads towards the back entrance ticket counter. There are wheelchairs and portable ramps available at the station to facilitate people using wheelchair to board the train. Platform numbers in Braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading toward the platforms. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities like toilets, waiting halls, etc. to help people with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that gives the overview of the station premise and facilities is installed in the main entry hall to facilitate people with visual disabilities. The stairs have reflective light strips at the starting and at the end of the stairs to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio, video about the information about the railway station that can be played over the phone by scanning the code installed at various locations. The initiative of providing braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, including this video, is driven by Indian Railways in association with Standard Chartered Bank and executed by Anuprayaas in association with Samarthanam Trust.